CJ. Bakit ko hiniispitan?
Why are there two ladders?
Yeah, both sides. But you cannot use the other one naman. Only you will use one.
Yeah, everything. The red is the screws, the clear is for the parts, like the light parts.
Sige.
That needs a last one! Because I see a thing. Where's the first one? Here! This one. And I lift it up. This one, and I lift it up. This one. Yeah. But that one here doesn't have that. What are they called? This should be 4 pieces. Wait!
Ano
Let
na?
us teacher. We do it
Eh,
a punch bag for you.
hilain mo na daw yung box. Hilain mo daw yung box. Paside mo paside mo. Yeah.
CJ, sandali. Alis ka muna dyan.
Wait!
Umalis ka daw
I
dyan.
need it for something.
Umalis ka daw dyan. Umalis ka dyan.
I need it for something. Yeah. Casey!
Anong Casey? Just leave it there.
Ang muna.
No, sige. Akala ko ba mag-assemble ka?
Oh, this is for the top, Daddy. Gosh. Casey,
Ha?
I have a plan for you. Yeah.
Asan ang instruction mo? Where's the first one?
The first one, they say this, then you gotta get whatever these things. It's super fun. Wait. These thingies, there are 2 pieces, and then you have to place these. Look up how I use CP. Got it, Daddy. Something. Ay, 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 ay. Daddy, where's the 3 thing?
Yeah.
This is for the top.
Oh, yeah.
For the top.
Tignan nyo yung paglagay nyo ng pan.
Are you? This? Yeah.
That's for the side. This side. This side and that side.
That's why you did like that on TV. Casey, it's super fun.
Oh!
Don't break my turkey.
Anong turkey?
My turkey. Don't break a turkey. Are you listening to this?
Hilahin mo to. Hilahin mo yan, CJ.
Wait.